I'm testing my new hydraulic lifts for the first time. They go up pretty smooth. Takes a minute to get the hydraulic fluid to go through them. They come down a little bit slower with no weight on them, but this is something that every shop needs. If you've got a home shop versus trying to get a car up on jack stands with jacks, this saves a lot of time and a lot of effort. Okay, I've got my car inside the shop now. I'm wanting to test the jacks for the first time on the car. Once you get the car in, you've got to reset up all the hydraulic lines, but this only takes about 5 minutes to get everything set up. And let's see how it does. You basically just need a 110 power source to run this type of equipment. The hydraulic lines stay permanently attached to the motor. You have quick connects on the jacks themselves. Just stretch out the lines, make sure you stay clear of everything. And it doesn't take, like I said, about 5 minutes to set everything up, and then you're good to go from there. Here we are, we're testing the jacks on my car for the very first time, and they'll get up to about 30 inches in height, between 27 and 30, depending on the style you get. These are 7-ton. These will actually lift up my pickup truck, and it should do pretty good with just a car. And let's see what it does from here. Okay, I think we got everything set up now. Let's mash the up button. Let's check the line here. Mash the up button and let's see how it does. So far, so good. And well, here we go. Now, once you get it up in there, there's safety locks. You've got to put these safety locks in while you're under the car. You don't want them to accidentally leak down while you're working on it. This is very important. Put the safety locks in the jacks, and you will see, me reaching under here, sliding the safety lock in where the hydraulic supports go on both sides. But other than that, the car's up in the air. This will let me have access to underneath the car, remove tires and wheels. We're gonna do that and we'll go from there. One other thing, once you put the safety locks in, release the pressure on the jacks until they hit the safety locks. That way you know they're in and they're working. Okay, I'm gonna remove the front tires on the car to see how stable it is while we're doing it. This feels really secure and safe right now. I don't feel any movement in the car when I'm impacting the wheels off. I think we're in good shape. I really like having these in the shop. Saves me a lot of time and effort trying to get the whole car up in the air and on jack stands, which can be really sketchy sometimes. All right, we have the tires and wheels back on now. We're gonna let the jacks down. We got to remove the safety pins, so you got to lift it up to take the pressure off of it. Once the safety pins are removed, then you can lower the car back down to the ground. Make sure all the hydraulic lines are out of the way so the tires don't land on them. You'll have to lift it back up if you do to get them out. So here we are taking the safety pins out, and we'll lower the car to the ground. This is the one thing in any shop that does any type of work on cars really needs to have in order to do everything safely. Okay, there it is. The car's safely back on the ground. Mash the subscribe button or give me a like in the comment section.